Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today, in no random order, went ahead and started out by moving this MC in this access hole in the ceiling. It was going right across the access hole, so I went ahead and moved that out of the way. Just taking care of some things today off the checklist. Also put in this can light trim right here. Made sure I cleaned it so there was no fingerprints. For a majority of the day, or at least a good portion of the day, I went ahead and printed out labels for all the smoke detectors, put all the labels on the smoke detectors, and also on all of the chime strobes on the walls in the one room, which is called the interwaiting or treatment area. Interwaiting is what it used to be called, and the treatment is what it's turning into. So anyways, I went ahead and labeled everything in there, and then also went ahead and supported a bunch of stuff: fire alarm, random MCs in the ceiling, also a bunch of ceiling grid wires that were not tied down. So I got this one and another one that was for this box for an example. The one right here with the piece of metal hanging down. Anyways, I strapped down a whole bunch of stuff in the ceiling. I think I got everything as best as I could see. And then for the rest of the day, pretty much went ahead and worked on labeling switch plates and receptacles. Went ahead and the guys were working on flashing the circuits to double check everything was the right circuit where it needs to be. Some of the things were wrong, so we went ahead and fixed a few of those. Some of them might have to get rewired or reworked around or something like that. Some things might have got missed or messed up. So worked on a whole bunch of that. So that was fun. Went ahead, got some deliveries. So I went ahead and threw some stuff in the low department areas of the laydown. So I went ahead and restocked some of the shelves where they were running low on parts. So I was really happy about that. And wrapping it up, I took the Corvette to work today as the first day of work since I got my car. Went ahead and took it to work. Parked a little bit too safe, and I got a parking violation on the first day. So 100% parking violation ratio, but we'll park a little bit less aggressive tomorrow. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm excited, and it was a good day, and I got home safely. So that's all that really matters. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.